Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial today, we are going to discuss about HTML horizontal rules. Quickly, let's get started. HTML horizontal rules. The HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HR tag element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. For example, you have your h1 tag, the opening h1 tag and the closing h1 tag. Inside it, we have our text. We have our p opening tag and the closing tag. Inside it, we have our text. After that, we put HR tag. This is a new tag we are talking about. This is called horizontal rules. After that, we can add another text and put HR tag again if we need it. The HR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. As you can see, it's having opening tag, but it's not having closing tag like this. It's not having this closing tag, it's only having opening tag. It's an empty element without any text inside it. No text like this. In this page, nothing like this here. You just leave it empty. Quickly, let's give some example. Let's open our HTML folder. Inside it, let's right click to see what is inside our index.html file using Visual Studio Code. Now, this is what we have in our HTML document from our former video. Let's check how it looks in our browser. Come back to your folder and right click and open it with VS Code. No, right click and open it with Google Chrome or any other browser you are having on your system. As you can see, we are having this is paragraph tags that we wrote in our former video. This is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. So let's see what will happen if we use the HR tag in between this paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Quickly, let's come back to our HTML code. Inside here, let's put HR and press tab. This is the benefit of using Visual Studio Code, it automatically generates the code. When you write HR, the symbols will add. Let's save this and come back to our document and reload it. Wow, this is a long line. As you can see, this is a line. This is HR tag. It's a rule. It stands as a ruler. Let's add another one. Let's reload our document. Wow, it works. Can we add another one? Let's put another one here. Come back to our document. Let's reload. Wow, it works. This is HR tag for drawing rules. Quickly, the HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal row. This is the horizontal row. Let's try something to see a better view of how it works. Let's see if we can write the HR inside our P tag and see what will happen. Inside the text that we wrote in our P tag, let's write HR. Save it and see what will happen. Let's go back to our document and reload it. Wow, can you see what happens? It adds to our document, but it did something. This paragraph contains, from here we break the line. And you see what happens. It's break the line of the P tag. It's break it. We will discuss about this space that you are seeing here much more better in the future. This margin you are seeing here, this padding you are seeing here, everything we will discuss about it in the future. But as you can see, if we can write another horizontal row inside here and it will break this. Let's put it here behind this but in the P tag and see how it works. Save it and reload your document. Can you see it works? Because we write it here, we put another HR tag here after the but inside the P tag and it works. So you can use it anyhow you want to use it. Let's try another thing again. Let's put double HR tag and save it and see how it works. Can you see? We are having two horizontal rows on our document, so we can use it anytime, and this is how it works. Can we give it attributes? Let's say style, font size. We have discussed about font size in our former video, so let's give it 200 pixel. Can you see? It creates more space, like the gap. It have a bigger gap. Let's give it color. We have not discussed about color. We will discuss about it in the future. Don't use it right now. Let's give it 20%, 20 pixel. Save it. You see, the space come back. Let's give it 2 pixel, and let's see how it works. It still works again. Let's give it 0.1 pixel, 0.5 pixel, and see how it works. Can you see the margin in it? The pixel controls it, as you can see clearly. I hope you are getting the point. I think we will have to stop here today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Have a great day.